Have you ever bought a pair of premium headphones to listen to footsteps on Battlefield 6 or Call of Duty, but the sound wasn't very clear? Or maybe you bought a high-fidelity pair of headphones to listen to music, but when you took them off, you could still hear music from the outside. Well, the problem isn't on the price tag and it's not on the brand, it's the design. Today, we're breaking down the battle between closed-back and open-back headphones, and I'm going to help you figure out exactly which one you need. I'm Ale, and you're watching TechByAF. Let's start with the hardware. The main difference is right here, the ear cups. These are closed-back headphones, and as you can see, the back is completely sealed and it's a solid shell. The goal here is isolation and noise cancelling, keeping the music inside of the headphones and the entire world outside of them. Think of it like being in a small room and the door is wide shut and the sound bounces back and forth and stays inside of the room. On the other hand, we have open back headphones like this. You can see the grills, the mesh. Here, air and sound can pass through freely, so the driver inside of it can breathe. Imagine listening to music in the same room as before. The door is wide shut, but the window is open, so sound can freely go outside and outside noise can come in. So if your neighbor is cutting grass at 8 a.m. on a Sunday, you can still hear him. Closed-back headphones give you that in-your-head feeling. Since the air is trapped inside of the ear cuffs, the bass frequencies can bounce back and forth like on the walls, giving you more punch on the bass. So on the pro side, you have powerful bass and great passive noise isolation. On the con side, by the way, the soundstage is very narrow, so the audio feels more intimate and you have that in-the-box feeling, especially on cheap headphones. Open backs are the complete opposite. The sound is very natural and wide. This means that on the pro side, we have a great soundstage. If you close your eyes and listen carefully, you can hear that music is not coming from your ears. It's coming from speakers all around your room. But on the con side, you don't have any kind of isolation. That is a quite big problem. And because of this, you don't have cups on the back, you won't have punchy bass. Not even if you have high-end headphones like this. But before saying which one you should buy, please, if you're liking this video, leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel to see more videos. Now here I leave you a little test with open backs and closed backs to hear what it's like outside of the headphone. Listen to this, because with open backs you can clearly hear the music outside of the headphones. And this could be a problem because if you're listening to Christmas music at 16th of August, maybe not everyone wants to listen to it. This is called sound bleed and it's the main problem of open back headphones. With closed back, silence. Pure, clean silence. So which one is right for you? Let's look at these common scenarios. If you take the bus, fly on planes, or work in an open office with colleagues that talk too much, you get closed backs. Do not be the person with open backs on a train. You will hear the engine noise and your neighbors will hear your podcasts. You need isolation. And if you're listening to Hello Kitty music, maybe closed back is the best option. Now, if you play competitive FPS games and you need the pinpoint footsteps, you need laser accuracy to listen to where your enemy is, maybe open backs are almost like a legal cheat code because the wider sound steps and you can hear exactly with high-end headphones where your enemy is in a 3D audio environment. But if you play in a noisy house with mechanical keyboards or on a TV with background noise, maybe your parents or something like this, closed backs can cut out the distraction. And maybe with noise cancelling, you lose a little bit of precision on footsteps, but you have some advantages. Now, if you're a creator like me and you like to make videos, play some music, and at the same time maybe make some streamings, you are in a quiet environment and you want the most accurate natural sound possible with the widest soundstage possible, you have to buy open backs like this. These are industry standards because you will have the most accurate sound on the output even if someone is using, for example, phone speakers. So you have a reference, and these are the right thing to buy. Personally, I use this one to edit my videos because I have more room and I have really good sound. But when I'm traveling or when I'm on the bus, I use this one or maybe earbuds with noise cancellation because this one gives a great sound, but with a noisy environment, they are useless. To summarize, if you want a punchy bass, privacy and isolation, closed backs are the right choice. But if you want a clear sound, you are in a quiet room and maybe you are a content creator or you play some FPS where you have to have some precisions on footsteps, go with open back headphones. And you, are your team open back or closed back? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video useful, please leave a like down below and subscribe for more tech videos. By the way, I'm Ale and you're watching TechByAF, and I'll see you in the next one.